had a lot of jobs. Flipping burgers, lawn service, handyman stuff. It was time for something substantial.
Me? I have a couple of reasons. One's 5. The other just turned 3.
What it comes down to is, you can't beat the opportunity.
Georgia recently passed a highway funding bill, which is good news for everyone, especially anyone looking for a better job. The demand for workers is huge. This website is your fast lane to landing one of them. You'll learn all about the jobs, the qualifications, even the pay, which is high compared to other entry-level jobs. You'll also learn how and where to apply. Just be prepared to pass a drug test and get to work on time. The pay is high and the jobs are steady. Best of all, you'll be part of a close, hard-working community of people just like you, accomplishing the extraordinary.
I always wanted to do something big, you know? Something I could point to and say, I built that.